Today we're going to talk about this product right here. This is from LAX, the 10-inch tabletop ring light. Now, so what's unique about this item? As you can see, the box is huge. It's the tripod, the stick, where it can actually expand really, really, really tall. It can go up to 1.3 meters. There's 3 color modes, and it's also 9 brightness dimmable brightness levels. So this one is very unique. Most of the ones that I've done before, they had 10 brightness levels. This one has 9. So I'm going to be unboxing this. Before I begin, if you can hit the subscriber button on the bottom right corner, there's a red button. Hit the subscriber button to subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. If I've added value to you with this video, please do hit the like button and feel free to leave comments, as I like to read your comments and respond. Thank you. So let's begin. So let's unbox this baby. So before I begin, this is the front of the box. And there's the back of the box. As you can see, it's pretty huge. So let me go ahead and break this baby open. Okay. So, okay. Okay. They put a lot of tape on this. So this will be your ring light as it comes in this piece right here, as you can see. This is a much more smaller box. I would say this is pretty much the bulk of everything. It's the tripod that's on that big long box. That's why it's so long and huge. And like I said, yeah, this is the tripod. So as you can see, it's the big tripod that they're giving you. Or a long tripod. So let's go ahead and just take a look, unbox this, and take a look at what we have in here. Whoa, I think I dropped this onto my desk, which is a glass top, and I hope I didn't crack it. Gosh. So as this is your 10-inch ring light. Just unbox this piece. And of course, always have your instruction booklet. This is the most important piece because you definitely want to have this so you know what to do. And pretty much inside it just tells you how to operate it and also kind of put it together. Alright, so let's go. So once again, for your 10-inch ring light, you get your phone holder stand, which is this piece right here. You get your phone holder, which is this right here. You're going to stick the phone holder stand into this little circle right here. Once again, you're going to screw it to loosen it. Push this ball, the side of the ball, inside. And then tighten it. So there you go. It's tightened. You're going to have your tripod head, which is this piece right here. Let's go ahead and just open this. And again, there's a ball, as what most of them do, so you can actually tilt your light. And then the final piece, very important. This is actually your tripod. But this piece is very, very long, as you can see. So this one is huge. It's going to expand very, very tall. Just to let you know this one. Let's take it out of the plastic. Alright. So as you can see, it's very, very professional type of feeling. As you can see, wow, it's not bad. Now I'm just going to assemble this together and kind of put it into this tripod, but I'm going to try to expand it, but it's going to be so long that it's going to be out of the screen. So I'm just going to try to keep it within the screen so you guys can have an idea. Now, how much would this probably cost first? Well, let's talk about the cost first, since I'm still building it. You can probably get it for 30 bucks or over $30. Or you can go to one of the discounted places or big box stores that are discounted for $20. That's just about the average price on a lot of these tabletop ring lights. Once again, they come with the remote control right there. Remote control. Has 3 buttons. The red is power on and off. The middle is your 3 modes. And then the plus and minus is your 9 brightness level. And they, again, is a USB, so you can plug into your computer for power, or you can plug it into a wall, an outlet that you have to buy separately to stick the USB into it. So first thing you do is you get your phone holder and your phone holder stand. You're going to screw it into the 10-inch LED. So there's a little circle there. You're going to screw this screw side into it. Okay. And then you're going to get this piece right here. It's your tripod head. You're going to use the screw side and screw it onto the little hole on the bottom of the 10-inch LED light. All right. Now this piece right here on the tripod head is for you to loosen and tighten it, so that way you can tilt your 10-inch LED light. And once you tilt it, you can tighten. You have to tighten this little hinge here in order for it to stay in that position. Okay, now we're going to put the tripod on. So, with the tripod, let me just figure this out first. So of the tripod, there's this little piece right here, as you can see, which covers the little screw right here. And you're going to use this screw to screw into the tripod head bottom, the big hole, the big circle in the center. All right, so now that you have it in there, as you can see, it's pretty huge because this already fits my entire screen. And then basically what you're doing is you're going to be pulling this. And for this to pull out, you have to unscrew these hinges, which are tight. So when you unscrew them, it loosens it, and then you can pull it out. See, as you can see right there. You see how long? Just one hinge is out huge. So that's very, very long. Let's close it back. So that kind of gives you an idea. I'm not going to pull them all out. But what I will do is I'm going to open the legs here. So as you can see, the legs. Of the tripod. You're going to pull the legs. So as you can see, there's your leg. Let's stand it. So we're just going to take a look at the legs right there. goes. So kind of give you an idea of the legs. You can probably expand it more, and this centerpiece will go up, but I just want to kind of keep it kind of low so you can just get an idea. Okay, so let's close it back. Now I'm going to unscrew the tripod legs from here, so that way I can kind of show everybody the brightness levels. So I'm going to take this back out. Okay, so you guys already seen the tripod leg is huge. It's very long. And as I mentioned earlier before, the tripod legs are 1.3 meters. So let's go ahead and just test this out. Let's go ahead and plug in, get some power. So you're going to flip this down. You're going to stick your eyes on. As you can see, all of them, the ones that I've noticed, there are coming stretchable poles. So you're going to stick your phone in there. There you go, right there. Now I'm going to take my phone back out so you can get a better idea of the brightness levels. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here's my remote control, okay? This red button again is the on-off switch. This right here, plus and minus, is your 9 brightness levels, and in here is your the different modes that you're available. So let's take a look at the modes. Actually, you got to turn on the power first. There goes power, mode, 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 mode. So it's 3 modes. Three modes, and within those 3 modes you can have 9 brightness levels. So let's check out the brightness level. Let's just go down. So it's 1 right now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there you have it. I'm going to just turn it off, and remember, whenever you're done, always hit the power button to turn it off. Don't just pull the USB, just to be safe. We want to all be safe. So would I buy this item? I would. Probably a starter item for me, because previous ones that I've done, you know, they're more for the desktop where you're just doing it in the desk, and it's basically for like cosmetics, or you know, if you're doing multimedia. But because the tripod on this item is huge, my assumption is that you can probably use it for, you know, other stuff too, like you can stretch it out. So that's the value to it, because the price that you're paying a couple dollars more, or if you're getting it from a discount box, because normally, you know, you can probably get it for like $15 or $17 for a desk 10-inch LED ring light. This one has a tripod leg that you can actually stand on the floor and bring it huge up, and it costs $20. So my assumption is probably $4 more. But if you're getting it at a regular retail price, then you're paying like $30 for this, or 30 or more, then you're probably paying like $10 more. Now that's if you need this long leg. If you don't need it, obviously get a different item, a different company. This is from LAX, but there's other products out there that even LAX may have it too, which is not a 10 inches. You know, with this tripod stretched out, you can save some money there. But I would use that as a starter. It works really well. It does what it has to do for the price, and you know, it kind of great way to get started, to start using it, to upload your videos to a lot of like the YouTubes or Instagrams or any of those portals that you choose to use. So it's pretty good price. I would buy it. Would I keep this product? Probably not. I won't keep it. I mean, they're all very much the same. I really don't need the long tripod legs. You know, it just really depends, because I do a lot of videos and I'm pretty up close, as you can see. So for me, it's just, I don't really need the long legs. I probably wouldn't, you know, but for other people, they may need it. So that's my 2 cents on it. It's a pretty good product. You know, it does what it has to do. It's a great starter. You can also continue using it, depends on the brightness level. You might have to buy an extra ring light or an extra light just to kind of have more brightness to keep away the shadows. But overall, I would say it's not bad of a product. I just wish that the box wasn't so huge, but it's expected with the tripod legs. So anyhow, if this video added value to your viewing, definitely hit the like button and leave me some comments. I look forward to hearing from you. And also hit the subscribe button as I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. Once again, I upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So I hope to hear from you. Thank you.